Hey everyone, welcome back to Battery Hacker, the channel where we unlock the secrets to powering your life. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're diving deep into the world of smart chargers with the CTEK MUS 3.4 charger. This sleek little device promises to extend the life of your batteries, save you money, and make your life just a bit easier. But does it really live up to the hype? In this video, we're going to uncover everything you need to know about the CTEK MUS 3.4 charger. We'll break down its specifications, explore its standout features, weigh the pros and cons, and at the end, I'll share my personal experience using this charger. So if you're tired of dead batteries or wondering if this charger is worth your investment, stick around. We've got some surprising insights coming your way. All right. Let's kick things off with the specifications. What exactly does the CTEK MUS 3.4 charger bring to the table? And more importantly, is it the right fit for your needs? Let's dive in. Key specification. Model: CTEK 56-958, MUS 4.3 polar. Voltage: 12 volt. Charging steps: 8 steps. Temperature range: -22 degrees Fahrenheit to +122 degrees Fahrenheit. Max charging current: 4.3 amperes. Battery types: lead acid, absorbed glass mat, gel cell, wet. Protection: short circuit proof, reverse polarity. Detailed review and features. The CTEK MUS 4.3 polar charger stands out due to its specialized design tailored for cold climates. Here's a detailed review based on my personal experience with this charger. Extreme climate adaptation. One of the most impressive aspects of the CTEK MUS is its ability to function efficiently in temperatures as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit. This is particularly beneficial for those living in regions with harsh winters, where standard chargers might fail. The AC and DC cables are specially designed to remain flexible and operational in these extreme temperatures. 8-step charging process. The charger's 8-step fully automatic program ensures that your battery is not only charged, but also maintained in peak condition. The steps include desulfation. Pulsing voltage removes sulfate from lead plates. Soft start. Tests battery condition to ensure it can accept charge. Bulk charging. Charges at maximum current until 80% capacity. Absorption. Charges at declining current to 100% capacity. Analyze. Tests if the battery holds charge. Recondition. Restores deeply discharged batteries. Float. Maintains battery at maximum voltage. Safety features. Safety is paramount with the CTEK MUS charger. It is spark-free, short-circuit proof, and reverse polarity protected, ensuring that you and your vehicle's electronics are safe during the charging process. This makes it incredibly easy to use, even for those who may not be very familiar with battery maintenance. Durability and usability. The charger is both water and dust resistant, making it suitable for use in various weather conditions. Its compact size and portability mean you can easily store it in your vehicle or garage. The various accessories available with the charger simplify its use across different battery types and applications, whether it's for your car, motorcycle, or even a snowmobile. Now let's go for pros and cons. Pros: excellent performance in extreme cold conditions. Comprehensive 8-step charging program. Robust safety features. Compatible with multiple battery types. Water and dust resistant. Easy to use with various accessories. Cons: slightly higher price compared to standard chargers. Limited to 12V batteries only. In summary, the CTEK MUS 4.3 polar charger exceeded my expectations. It proved to be a reliable and efficient tool that made a significant difference in managing my vehicle batteries during the winter. I highly recommend it to anyone facing similar cold weather challenges. If you want to buy it or want to know more about it, follow the link below in the description.